Hello everybody. Working, but I can't do learning. I do learning, it engaged all gears, all beautiful. But N on dashboard don't stop blinking. It blinking. It must blinking about few seconds, start to flash on, and that's all. I don't have this state.
Sometimes if the clutch don't want to be calibrated and neutral is flashing, or you have code P0715, it can be reason of this sensor, this revolute sensor of the gearbox. Need to remove it and check it. It must be with this pin, and sometimes has still dust and need to clean it. For example, this is not okay. You see it without pin. It must be 31 millimeter.